Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For those who doesn't know me yet, I am Oandasan, a portrait artist and YouTube creator. My channel is all about business, tutorials, and travel or adventure. For this day, I would like to discuss you about how to order my original designs of t-shirts, mugs, tumbler, face masks, leggings, jackets, and many more.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment.
I would like to have a big shout out to JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station is located at Boston Heights, Toklong, Kawit, Cavite. So for those who are located at Imus and Kawit, Cavite, you can order purified water at JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. How to order? You can text or call this number. For those Globe user, it's 0977-3975-645 or Smart 0939-219390. Or you can also message at Messenger JJ Diamond. You can also like its FB page and YouTube channel JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Silk Residences located at Santa Mesa, Manila River City Residences located at Santa Ana. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you. I would like to have a big shout out as well to RG Omnia Printing Supplies and Printing Services. So if you are looking for ink for your printer, photocopying, laminating, scanning, documents or calling cards or any photo printing nearby Molino, Bacoor, Cavite, RG Omnia Printing Supplies and Printing Services is open for you. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So good news guys, I launched my own design of t-shirt, jackets, mugs, face masks, leggings, tumbler, and many more products. So if you are interested guys, I'm gonna show you how to order my original printing design of these products. So we can ship this internationally or locally. So we can ship in USA, any part of USA, any part of Europe, or if you want also here in the Philippines, we can do also in the Philippines locally, but then there would be only limited products that can be shipped in the Philippines. Let's go. Let's check how we can order these products. Alright, okay, so let's go to Facebook and then let's search Miss Jane's Store. Okay, so let's type that one. Miss Jane's Store, so let's click that or press enter. Alright, and then it goes straight to my page, so click that Miss Jane's Store. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Let's just close that and then so this is my page. So as you can see, it said there, it's Miss Jane's Store. Okay, so let's wait for it. Alright, so There you go. Yeah, so for the Filipinos, we have a different shipping. For example, you want a local brand, we have also a local t-shirt here in the Philippines. Okay, so those are my products. We have tumbler, we have t-shirts, we have jackets. Okay, and then now, yeah, so how can we order those ones? So now let's go back to the top, and then okay, so let's find the shop now. So click that one, and then it will go straight to my design. So all of my designs and then all the details of these products are in this page. Okay, so let's go in there and then let's wait. Okay, so those are my products. So you can see all my products there about the taxes. Yep, and then if you're gonna click any of those ones, you can see the descriptions, the colors, and whatever. Okay, yeah, so that's my first one. And then we have also a seafarer's t-shirt, and then we have also a Philippine items, yeah, that has a logo, and that's originally designed by me. Okay, yeah, all of those are my designs. It's so original. Yep, so on the top bar, you can see this apparel and then all the products there. We have also accessories, face masks. Yep, so you can see all the accessories in here. Okay, and yeah, I'm planning to make more products on this. Okay, you can see face mask, so that's one of my accessories. And then we have also the drinkware, the water bottle, and then we have also the tumbler. Okay, so you can just click, for example, you want also this water bottle, just click it. Alright, so we are clicking it now. Yeah, so it will direct us to the water bottle itself. Okay, so that's the water bottle. Now let's go also on the tumbler. Just click the tumbler and then check it out. Yeah, let's go to the tumbler area. Okay, there you go. So for example, you like this one, then yeah, you can just click this item. Okay, yeah, there you go. And then yeah, you can see all the informations there, and then if you like it, yeah, you can just add to cart. Okay, okay, so let's click, for example, this jacket. Okay, and then I want to do it in black, so I'm gonna order a black one. So let's click those ones, I mean the black color. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Yeah, so whatever you can see there, anything that is enabled there, all the colors there are available. Okay, so all of these brand are from USA and Europe, so it depends on the color of this item. Alright, okay, so let's wait for a while. Okay, alright, so there you go. So that's my the one that I like, so that's the jacket that I like, and then I get to choose if it's a small, okay, medium, large, or whatsoever. So I select small, and then yeah, how many items I like, so I want one. Oh yeah, so all the products, descriptions, products, details, and everything are there on the bottom, so you can just read all of those ones. Okay, and then afterwards, yeah, let's go to add to cart now. Okay, and then proceed to check out. Alright, so as you can see, there you go, proceed to check out. Okay, so now let's provide the contact informations. There you go, your full name and everything. Okay, over here. Alright, your street, your addresses for shipping. Yep, so put all your informations here. Alright, and then state, let's put, for example, you're in the Philippines, so put Philippines. Alright, okay, and then put the postal code, your phone number, and then put your card. Okay, so for example, your card is that one. Proceed in there. Okay, so you have an options, card or PayPal. Okay, and then now if you have some promo code, just apply for the promo code. So for example, your promo code is Jane143. Okay, click that and apply. And then you can see here the difference. Okay, look at that one. So instead of that, you can only take for the order total. And then now let's click the place your order. So there you go. So we're placing our order now. Okay. Yeah, so it's all good. Yeah, so let's just wait for 15 days up to 30 days for the shipping. Yeah, and then it will arrive wherever your place is. Okay, and then yeah, so don't forget all my products here or my store. Yeah, you can just always visit Miss Jane's store. Okay, so all of those are my products. Yeah, so yep, keep browsing guys because I kinda make more products. Okay, and then yeah, don't forget to follow my Instagram and also my Facebook. No worries, yeah. So I will put all the links on the bottom on the descriptions below so that you can just go straight on my page, okay, on the Facebook and then also on my designs wherein you gonna order, okay? Yep. Thank you and have a great day.